Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford Ranger Lariat, coming in this nice Azure Grey coloring. This vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the trailer tow package, as well as the Sport Appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do have a nice grip side running board, camera, blind spot detection, as well as turn light indicator mirrors. And moving to the front, we have front park sensing as well. A nice skid plate underneath with two tow hooks. Block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably, and we have this nice black leather interior. You got plenty of door space back here. We got storage, USB and USB-C, and 120 volt. And of course, if you don't need this extra person, this does fold out for 2 cup holders and some arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats. The same leathering we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Memory seating for up to 3 drivers. And your lights are just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 31.6 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control right there. Now looking at your main screen, you have My View, Trip and Fuel, Off-Road, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, and other settings. Looking over here, you have a nice new gear shift, speed and mode adjusters, cup holders, parking brake, park assist with auto hold, and traction, 4-wheel drive, trailer, and drive modes, which do include normal, eco, sport, tow and haul, and slippery. And taking a look over here, we have leather-wrapped center console with tons of storage. This does move out. Got a 12 volt. There's that place you can put your key if the battery dies. Nice little slot. Wireless charger band with USB, USB-C, and storage. You've got your main climate controls with dual climate, hazards, little storage cubby there with storage there. You got storage above, storage right there. We do have a nice rear window opener, which is pretty handy, and a garage door transmitter. Now looking at your main screen here, you do have a nice hefty screen. You have your radio, phone, navigation, media, all the usual, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto capabilities, owner's manual, and sketch, towing. Your settings, such as control, all this fun stuff, and your 360 view of the vehicle. We do have heated seats and heated steering wheel, and your dual climate as per usual. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE33505, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.